So in this video, basically, there's going to be times you want to display subtotals, and for each group, so you see how this says region and this says northeast. So like right here, it says 0, right here it says 0, here it says 0 and 0, and you want to add the total here, so you want it to sum up. So but you also want it to be kind of like neat, and you just want the subtotals to be able to stand out. So in this case, what you would do is basically you'll highlight where you want a subtotal. So like where we're at. So you'll so grab everything you want to subtotal, and then once you get there, then you want to go to data and then put subtotal. So then what I'm looking for specifically, let's say, is subtotal for each region. So here it's telling you where do you want it, like where do you want the subtotal to be. You can click the store type, you can get the build, paid, balance, date. So in this case it's region. Okay, so region, and then this is like add subtotal to what, so the build, which would be this or this. So in this case, yeah, we want it to be the build one, so we'll press OK, and then boom. So now you have your billing separated for on every region. And what this is going to do is basically, let's say I don't want to show this one for the Northeast, but I want to show it for Northwest. You can just go boom, and now it's just Northwest. You don't want to show that one, boom. You don't want to show that one, boom. Right? But let's say we do want to show it, so we do want to show the Northeast, but we don't want to show these two, and then that's it. You just expand it, and that's pretty much it. So you're able to play around with this, and yeah. And then we still have this one grouped over here that's in the customs view. So this is going to be the grand total, and that's it.